I picked up my old pruning shears, the same ones I've used for years, and when they could not even cut a simple piece of paper, I knew something had changed. Those shears have trimmed branches in my yard season after season, so seeing them struggle like that made me pause. Instead of tossing them aside, I wanted to see if a simple fix could bring them back to the way they used to work. Start by taking the pruning shears apart in a calm and careful way. Place them on a flat table so they do not move. Hold the blade steady and loosen the center bolt with a wrench or screwdriver. Keep your fingers away from the sharp edges as the two halves come apart. Set each piece in a plastic tray so nothing gets lost, and you can put it back together easily later. Now, it is time to let Coca-Cola do the hard work for you. Place the separated blades into a plastic tray and pour in enough Coke to fully cover the metal. Make sure the cutting edges and the joint area are completely submerged. Set the tray aside and let it sit for a full day. During this time, the mild acid in the soda works slowly to loosen rust, dried sap, and old grime that builds up from years of cutting branches. After one day, take the blades out and use a soft brush to scrub the surface. You will see the rust and sticky residue come off much easier than before. Rinse the blades with clean water and dry them right away with a cloth. This simple soak saves effort and brings the metal back to a clean, smooth surface without harsh chemicals. I'd like to hear where you're from. Drop your city and state below so I know how far this video is reaching. Once the blades are clean and dry, it is time to sharpen them. Take a welding rod and spread a thin layer of toothpaste along the cutting edge. Hold the blade steady and rub the rod along the edge, following the original angle of the blade. Use smooth strokes and light pressure so you do not remove too much metal. The toothpaste acts as a mild abrasive and helps polish the edge as you sharpen. After a few passes, wipe the blade clean, and you will feel it getting sharper to the touch. Now, bring the pruning shears back together. Line up the two blades the same way they came apart, and insert the center bolt. Tighten it until the blades move smoothly without wobble. Next, add a few drops of light oil to the pivot joint and work the shears open and closed several times. This spreads the oil inside the joint and removes any stiffness. Wipe off the excess oil with a cloth so it does not attract dirt. At this point, the shears should feel solid smooth and ready for work again. With just a little time, those old pruning shears are sharp and smooth again, ready for the next job in your yard. If this kind of simple repair helps you, give the video a like, subscribe for more DIY fixes, and share it with someone who still enjoys fixing things the old way.